Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a free trial on TradingView. So all you need to do is to log into your account first, and then you press on products here, and then you see plans for every level of ambition, and then you scroll down. You can see that you can do monthly or annually. Okay, so if we check for the monthly one, we can see that you can try free for 30 days for the essential, plus, premium, and ultimate plans. And you need to input your credit card details. And if you exceed the 30 days free trial and you're still using that plan, they will deduct the money automatically from your account that you linked here. So you just need to press on try free for 30 days for any of these plans that you want to try. You can also do it for the annually, but it will be only 30 days, no more, for both annually or monthly. But the difference here that for monthly they will deduct automatically 1 month fees, but for annually they will deduct automatically for 1 year fee if you exceed the 30-day free trial. So just press on try for free for 30 days, and then you need to input your details, full name, state, region, zip code, city, everything, and then you press on next. They will ask you for your credit card details or payment method, and that's it. And then you can start using the free trial, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.